Today I'm going to cover what's in my bag that I'm going to bring along for my hike in Hong Kong later. So the bag I'll be bringing for my hike later is my Peak Design Sling. It's ash in color and it can contain pretty much everything that I need to bring for the trip. So let's start unpacking. The next item that I'll be bringing is actually my drone. It's actually my DJI Mavic Alpine version, along with a sun hood, my spare batteries. I bought this attachment so that this battery can also be used as a power bank for my mobile devices. So I'll also be bringing along my Sony RX100 Mark V, which I recently bought, along with my Joby Gorilla Pod. Next is my A7 II with a size 16 to 35. It's actually my most reliable gear in my whole kit. The quality it comes out of it is really amazing. I can't do without this baby. Next item is actually my serie monopod. Okay, it's actually really small and very portable, and especially very lightweight. So as you can see from my Peak Design Sling bag, it just slides in at the bottom so easily. I hope you have enjoyed my video. Please let me know in the comments down below if I should have bring any more stuff that will be helpful along with my hikes. Please do like and subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and I'll see you in the next video.